welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today we're going to make some sourdough granola. We've been out for a while and my family loves this granola, so I'm going to get another batch going today. You guys know I always maintain a really small starter, so last night I bulked up my starter. I needed 1 cup for this recipe, so it's all ready to go here and all bubbly, nice and bubbly. I preheated my oven to 325 degrees. There's 4 cups of old-fashioned oats in this bowl. You can customize the granola to anything you like and add any fruits or nuts or sunflower seeds, any kind of things that you like. We like almonds, these sliced almonds, so I'm going to put probably 3/4 of a cup of these almonds in there. And you can just do what looks good to you and what you like. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. This is the Ceylon cinnamon. And I'm going to put some nutmeg. I love the smell of freshly grated nutmeg. It smells so good. So I've got a microplane here. So we're just going to grate in some of that nutmeg. Smells so good. Okay, and we're going to get a pinch of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. And we're going to put 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I like to make my own homemade brown sugar. It's really easy. All it is sugar and molasses mixed together. And you can make it light or dark depending on how much molasses you put in there. It's really good. You should try it. Okay, so I'm going to put 1/4 cup of the brown sugar and 1/2 cup of maple syrup. I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil melted in this little cup, and it's cooled off now. Get that in there. I like this sourdough granola because it uses a lot less oil than a lot of the other granolas, so it's really good. Okay, now we're going to get 1 cup of the sourdough into our mix. Oops. I'll put this down so you can see. Now we're going to give this a good mix. I think I'm going to use my hand to get this mixed really well. Make sure that cinnamon is all the way throughout there and those other spices. You can put any kind of spices you like into your granola also. Granola is very customizable. I've already got 1 baking sheet over here with parchment paper, and I'm going to get another one. All right, now we're going to these onto our cookie sheets. We're just going to put half on one and half on the other one. And now we're just going to spread that out. And it can get all browned up and crispy. Fresh granola, homemade, is so good. It's so crunchy and delicious. If you guys haven't tried it before, you guys should give it a try. You might never go back to the store-bought kind. It's pretty quick to whip up some granola too. Okay, we're gonna pop these into the 325-degree oven and let it get nice and crispy. I've got both of my racks in the middle of the oven, and we're gonna let that roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll probably halfway through rotate the racks, and as they're getting crunchy, I'll mix them up a bit. I'll bring you back. The granola's been in the oven 25 minutes, and I'm just gonna break it up a little bit. It's not quite crispy yet, but I just wanna break it up a little. I still want some chunks of granola, but I just wanna break it up a little bit. So right now I've got the pieces like this. And now we'll get this other pan done. And then spread out as much as possible still. And now we're gonna get those into the oven again, and we're gonna let them get crispy and crunchy. So I'm probably gonna set my timer for about 10 more minutes and see how they're doing. But no matter what, we'll just bake them until they're nice and crispy and crunchy. Our delicious granola is done. It baked for another 20 minutes, so about 40 minutes altogether. And then I just mix it up every now and then so that it can get crunchy and evenly browned up. Here's our delicious granola with some yogurt. That's our favorite way to eat it, is with yogurt, or with, my husband likes to eat granola with milk too. Let's give it a try. Ooh, it's so delicious. I like it because it's not overly sweet, and it's just really good. I like to put it in a jar. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe and give it a try. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope that you have a blessed day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.